Trimble Inc. Technology Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get enterprise tech wrong. They assume construction and surveying software is niche. The surprising truth about Trimble Inc. is how versatile its technology is across industries like construction, agriculture, and logistics, and you won't believe how much efficiency it can unlock. Here's how it works. Trimble provides hardware, software, and services for geospatial data, project management, and asset tracking. Users can capture, analyze, and visualize data in real time to improve decision-making and project outcomes. For example, a construction firm can use Trimble's GPS and laser scanning technology to map a site, detect errors early, and reduce material waste. Most people get this wrong. They think it's just survey tools, but Trimble integrates project management, design, and analytics in one platform. Additional features include fleet management, precision agriculture, EIM integration, and mobile data collection apps. Trimble also offers cloud-based dashboards and reporting tools, allowing teams to monitor progress remotely. However, there are considerations. Implementation requires training, and costs can be high for smaller businesses. Most people assume plug-and-play setup. Success relies on skilled adoption and ongoing support. In conclusion, Trimble Inc. is ideal for organizations seeking precise data, project efficiency, and digital transformation. Its comprehensive solutions help teams save time, reduce errors, and maximize productivity. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of technology and enterprise software.